You are looking at the fastest animal to ever live. Not just the fastest bird, the fastest living thing on the planet. Welcome to a deep dive into the world of the falcon. Today, on the Wildlife Lab, we deconstruct the biological masterpiece that is the ultimate aerial assassin. To understand the falcon, we must first look at its design. Evolution didn't just give it wings, it gave it a fighter jet airframe. Unlike many other birds of prey, such as hawks or eagles, which have broad, rounded wings for soaring and lifting heavy prey, the falcon possesses long, slender, pointed wings. These wings are stiff and swept back, minimizing drag and allowing for extreme agility at high velocities. But speed presents a deadly problem. How do you breathe when you're hurtling through the air at 200 miles per hour? At that speed, the sheer pressure of the air would explode the lungs of almost any other animal. Tubercles. Inside a falcon's nostrils are small, bony structures that act as baffles. They divert the high-pressure airflow, slowing it down so the bird can breathe comfortably while diving. It's a piece of biological engineering so perfect that modern jet engine designers studied falcons to solve the same problem in aircraft. There is one maneuver that defines the falcon: the stoop. When a peregrine falcon, the most famous of the family, spots its prey from thousands of feet above, it doesn't just flap its wings, it folds them tightly against its body, transforming into a living teardrop. Gravity becomes its engine. In this dive, the peregrine can reach a staggering 242 miles per hour, 389 kilometers per hour. At this speed, the bird isn't just flying, it is falling with style and lethal intent. But how does it survive the impact? Imagine hitting something at 200 miles per hour. To protect its brain, the falcon has a reinforced skull and specialized shock absorbers in its neck. The kill itself is rarely done with the beak. Instead, the falcon hits its prey with a clenched talon, literally punching the other bird out of the sky. The force of the impact is often enough to kill the prey instantly. If the hit isn't fatal, the falcon utilizes its tomial tooth, a specialized notch on its upper beak designed to quickly and humanely sever the spinal cord of its prey. It is surgical, it is efficient, it is the peak of predatory evolution. To hunt at such speeds, you need more than just fast wings. You need elite-level vision. A falcon's eyes are enormous relative to its head size. If our eyes were proportionally the same size, they'd be the size of tennis balls. They possess a third eyelid called a nictitating membrane, which acts as a clear protective goggle during high-speed dives, keeping the eyes moist and clear of debris. Their vision is roughly 8 times more powerful than a human's. A falcon can spot a small bird, like a pigeon, from over 2 miles away. They also see in the ultraviolet spectrum, allowing them to track the urine trails of rodents or see through the glare of the sun. While we see a landscape, the falcon sees a high-definition map of opportunities. While the peregrine is the speed king, the falcon family, known as Falconidae, is incredibly diverse, with over 40 species inhabiting every continent except Antarctica. In the frozen tundras of the north, we find the Gyrfalcon, the largest falcon in the world. It is built for endurance and power rather than just raw diving speed. Its white plumage provides the perfect camouflage in the Arctic snow. On the other end of the spectrum is the American kestrel. It's the smallest falcon in North America, barely the size of a mourning dove. Unlike its larger cousins, the kestrel is a master of the hover. It can stay perfectly still in midair, scanning the grass for insects and voles. Then there is the Merlin, known as the ladyhawk in ancient times, a fierce, compact hunter that prefers chasing its prey in low-level, high-speed dogfights through the trees. For centuries, falcons were the symbols of royalty and the companions of kings in the sport of falconry. But in the 20th century, we almost lost them forever. The use of the pesticide DDT caused their eggshells to thin, leading to a massive population collapse. By the 1970s, the peregrine falcon was an endangered species. However, thanks to one of the most successful conservation efforts in history, they have made a miraculous comeback. Today, falcons have adapted to a new kind of cliff, the skyscraper. In cities like New York, London, and Toronto, falcons nest on the ledges of high-rises. These concrete canyons provide the perfect height for hunting and an endless supply of urban pigeons. The falcon has proven that even in a world dominated by humans, the wild can still find a way to soar. The falcon is more than just a bird of prey. It is a symbol of speed, a marvel of biology, and a testament to the resilience of nature. It reminds us that even in the modern world, the ancient laws of the predator and the prey still play out in the skies above our heads. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of the falcon, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Wildlife Lab. It helps us continue to bring you the most incredible stories from the natural world.